Hey everyone, Serene from House of Yum, and today we're going to be making an autumn apple salad with a maple Dijon vinaigrette. This salad is fully loaded, meaning it's going to fill you up if you were to sit down to have this for lunch or dinner. We're going to be using two kinds of apples, Fuji and Granny Smith. We're also going to be adding some crispy bacon, some crumbled feta, some crunchy pecans, and some sweet dried cranberries. This is all going to be drizzled with a homemade maple Dijon vinaigrette. This recipe is designed for two salads, but you can easily get more ingredients to make this for a larger gathering. To get started with this recipe, we're going to start with the bacon and get that cooking while we prepare the dressing. I always like to make my salad dressings in a jar because they're so easy to seal and shake to mix together. For this dressing, we're going to be using extra virgin olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper. Then just give that jar a shake to mix it all together. Once the bacon's fully cooked, just give that a rough chop, and we'll slice up our apples. Then we just get to add all of our ingredients to a large salad bowl. And drizzle with the dressing. This salad recipe is perfect for the holidays or any day of the year. For this and many more recipes, go to houseofyum.com.